Ngwatanio ya ulei ya Azimio One Kenya niyaweta nikukwata mbau makoani kuleana na mivango ya silikali ya Waki wa Nyumba cia mbesa nini kana affordable housing vamwe na muvango mweu wa uiiti wa Social Health Insurance Fund yiiweta yonthe na kieleelo cha kumuvinyiiya Mwenenthi wa ukwati munini na koti mbingi itena maana utongoyu wa Azimio ukomanite kwi umunthini wa weta ciama cionthe ngwatanioni ciendeea na kuungamana wasya umwe yulu wa kulangalama ya mikalile na kusukuma silikali kula kumuvinyiiya Mwenenthi tukwatiane nake Benjamin Mwaka kuma kaunti ya Ilovi.
Utongoi wa yulu wa ngwatanio ya Azimio yani Coalition Summit ukumanite kwi umuthi wathingilela itambia silikali ya kuendea kuthingisya enenthi mivango ya affordable housing na ingi taula wa uiiti wa SHIF ila ikotini ni kindu cha kuthiuvathukana na wendi wa enenthi na nicho kitumi meukwata mbau na moko elimu kwani alame kotini makuleana na mivango ino.
We will stand in solidarity with the petitioners in the public interest litigation cases on these issues. Azimio stands for the rule of law and supports the need for an independent and professional judiciary.
Thino wa kikalo kina andikima mauvoni maweta ni usenyo kuona silikali tena teina Mwenenthi kwisela koti mbingi na mende ya kukutana nasyo siongamwe.
The housing levy is a threat to livelihoods and incomes in the same way the plan to unilaterally sell public assets without the participation of the owners who are the people of Kenya.
Ingine menda muvia wosilo makoani unengonda yo thukumini wayo balama umania vanene itambia President William Ruto kutwa isi mbumbano na Chief Justice Martha Koome chuma kivetu.
We demand that the Kenya Kwanza regime must keep its hands off the judiciary. We take note of the support expressed by the United States government for the Ruto regime to appeal against the ruling on the deployment of police to Haiti. It is our hope that all parties shall respect the independence of the judiciary and that foreign interests will keep off our national affairs.
Ndongoi ya chama cha wipa Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka uloi kuya Sudan na wota na vika thino wa kikalo ki vala Azimio athingila ngwatanio yo thithingitheka.
Azimio remains satisfied with its activities that were able to focus on the excesses of the Kenya Kwanza regime that has made life miserable for the greater majority of Kenyans.
Azimio remains one and is here to stay, committed to shared values that include accountability, integrity, public participation, good governance, respect for the Constitution and rule of law, social justice, and non-discrimination.
Vilingo wa mauvo kuma vamusini wa Ilovi nita wa Benjamin Mwaka.